A slow-moving upper-level low continues to work its way today across sections of the northern plains, spreading in some showers and some thunderstorms. And later on today, some of these thunderstorms could turn feisty, so definitely want to keep it tuned here to AccuWeather.com's severe weather page for all the latest on that. Right now, though, just seeing some run-of-the-mill showers and thunderstorms move across sections of North Dakota, stretching back now across parts of Minnesota, spots like Brainerd, all the way back towards Grand Forks, getting in showers and thunderstorms. And some of these thunderstorms have brought in some decent rain to the region. Some spots reporting upwards of 3 to 5 inches of rain within the last 24 to 48 hours. So definitely some beneficial moisture here across the region, but we could see some flooding here across the area as we head through the rest of the day. Also tracking some storminess down towards St. Louis, stretching back now towards Columbia. Some showers and thunderstorms are rolling on through, so definitely keeping an eye out for some travel delays there. Boy, the temperatures, it's the great divide here across the region. Some cooler air off to the north. You can see we're in the 60s in Bismarck and Minneapolis. Further off to the south, we've got the heat persisting. 82, the current number for you in Kansas City. Across the northeast, we've got a few lingering showers across sections of Maine. Otherwise, clouds are giving way to some sunshine with cooler air filtering in.